We all start with Excel because it feels free and controlled, but that spreadsheet is actually a trap. As your business scales, manual data entry becomes a liability, wasting hours and leading to costly errors. Panic scrolling through rows of data during tax season looking for a receipt you lost months ago. But there is a way to remove the data entry completely. Here is the 5-step system to track your business expenses automatically. Step number 1, the setup. The first step is the foundation, a dedicated business bank account and credit card. Automation relies on clean data. If business software subscriptions are mixed with personal grocery bills, no software can automatically sort them for you. Keeping these expenses separate makes bookkeeping and tax filing much easier because you have a clear audit trail. It allows you to maintain a proper division for tax deductions and is the most effective way to build your business credit score, which can help you access higher credit limits later. This creates the clean foundation required for the rest of the system to work. Step 2, the engine. Now, once your accounts are separate, you need a tool to pull that data instantly. Manual spreadsheets are disconnected from your bank, meaning you are always looking at old data. You need a live feed. And this is where Xero, the sponsor of today's video, becomes the engine. You connect your business account directly to the software, and transactions import automatically every business day. There's no manual refreshing. The data just appears. From there, Xero's AI-powered tool analyzes the transaction data and suggests matches for you. Instead of typing out office supplies and the dollar amount, you just see the suggestion and click OK to reconcile it. It turns data entry into a single click. And if you're behind on your books, you can even import up to 12 months of historical transactions instantly to catch up. It keeps your financial records accurate without manual work. As of the time of making this video, there is a 90% off for 6 months offer for you guys using the link in the description below. Once that digital feed is live, the only remaining bottleneck is the physical paper trail. Step 3, the input. Paper receipts are the biggest point of failure. They fade, get lost, or end up in a box. Step 3 is to capture the expense the moment it happens. Don't wait until you're back in the office. Since you're using Xero, you don't need a third-party scanner. You just open the Xero Me app on your phone and snap a photo of the receipt immediately, before you even leave the restaurants. The software uses HubDoc technology to automatically extract the key details, like the date, amount, and vendor, so you don't have to type them. This digital copy is stored securely with the transaction, serving as your proof of purchase. This means you have a secure digital backup for every transaction, so you don't have to panic if a receipt fades or gets lost. Pro tip, this also solves the mileage log nightmare. Instead of maintaining a spreadsheet of your drive, the app's built-in GPS tracker can record your journey distance automatically and add it to your expenses. Step 4, the organization. Step 4 is about organization. Recording an expense is useless if you don't know what it was for. You need to categorize every transaction, breaking down your expenditures so you can track exactly where your money is going, like separating office supplies from travel costs. This helps you spot issues. For instance, you might notice your travel budget is getting out of control, but those expensive client dinners aren't actually resulting in signed contracts. This is where you automate the repetition. Modern expense software like Xero allows you to set up automatic categorization for your recurring costs using bank rules. You tell the system once, every time you see a charge from this vendor, categorize it as software. From then on, the software files it automatically. It turns a monthly chore into a one-time setup. Step 5, the habit. Step 5 is the review. Automation doesn't mean you ignore your money. It means you stop typing it. You need to shift your role from data entry to data review. Block out a short weekly window, just like 15 minutes, to scan the feed. Since the data is already there, you're just verifying it. This weekly check ensures you catch errors, duplicate payments, or fraud immediately, rather than discovering them months later. It also helps you identify spending trends, seeing exactly which costs are creeping up so you can cut them before they hurt your profitability. It gives you clear visibility over your cash flow without the heavy lifting. The goal is simple. Stop working for your spreadsheet. By separating your accounts, connecting a live bank feed, and capturing receipts instantly, you prove that you really can track business expenses automatically without Excel. You stop typing numbers and start making decisions. Special Xero offer. Get 90% off for 6 months using this link. Terms and conditions apply. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.